I saw an operation.
Yes, I had the operation in my stomach, Papa.
Hear me.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
I'm at your house right now.
Oh, yes, my Father.
Is it upstairs?
Yes, Papa.
It is not finished.
Yes, it is not finished.
It is not finished.
Yes, my Father.
But I'm hearing a sound of pigs. What are these pigs at your house?
I had pigs, 2 pigs, but we killed them, my Father.
Were they at the house?
Yes.
Where? Behind or in the front?
Behind.
They're all behind.
Yes.
You were keeping 2 pigs.
Yes.
You killed them.
Yes.
I was hearing pigs.
Oh, my Father.
Here, this lady. I want to show you something. Because the operation happened.
Oh, yes.
But the enemy is trying to bring another operation.
Oh, cancel it, my Father.
I put an embargo.
I receive, Papa. I receive.
Oh,
My Father. Oh, yes.
I put an embargo in the name of Jesus.